Hi and welcome back to Garden Ninja. Now today I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes of one of my garden rescue designs. So let's head into the drawing room and check it out. This garden was in Merthyr Tydfil in Wales here in the UK, and the primary brief for this was a wildlife garden. It was a new build space and it really needed softening up because there wasn't anything there other than that big shed in the back right corner. So rather than going for soft curves, which you usually associate with a wildlife garden, I decided to go for a more geometric layout because the house was modern and I thought if we went a bit too soft, it might look at odds with the rest of the development. We had a pergola near the house that I designed with a patio, and then you'll notice that that yellow path is all gravel and it's been edged by fallen birch logs to try and bring that feeling of being in the woodlands. We've also got a number of native trees, things like birch, we've got bird cherry, sorbus that are going to help connect it to the wider landscape. Here's the pergola going in now, which is just a simple wooden tannelised frame and a matching arch at the back of the garden. And that's how you connect the two spaces together, by using the same materials on repetition. Here are the log edges going in now, which will help soften and give a path network to the garden so the gravel doesn't spill into the borders. As we move further around, you'll notice that all of the planting here is super soft herbaceous perennials and some native shrubs. So the garden is primarily plant-based with the path network and then a couple of seating areas within it. I'm using some pops of pink and really soft blush colours, loads of pollen-rich herbaceous perennials. And as we move further around the garden, we start to add a little bit of purple just to lighten that up. Now there is a pond in this garden, which I'm coming to shortly, which is in the central part of the space. As you'll see, it's covered in wildflower turf, and we've got this really naturalistic pond which will encourage loads of wildlife to the garden. So we've got the trees for height, we've got the path network, a little terrace there at the back made of reclaimed brick, and then the pond. And this is going to be a wildlife magnet. So although it's in a new build estate, we've used those geometric shapes to connect it to the house, but softened it with all of the planting. So it's a case of mixing the new with the old. And I was really pleased with this design. I thought it was a clever way to use the space and had a little bit for everyone. If you've not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit the red button to subscribe today. Also click the bell for notifications. We'll have access to hundreds of garden design hints, tips and hacks from me, the Garden Ninja. And best of all, it's free. So there we go, a sneak peek behind the scenes of my garden design process. If you've liked this video, please make sure you check out the rest of my YouTube channel where there are hundreds of garden design hints, tips and hacks to help you make your gardens awesome. Let me know below in the comments if you've got any questions. Bye for now.